We have the Son Heung-min. Next, we have Ronaldo Gaucho. Next, it's Thierry Henry. Ayan siya. Si Grimace, of course. Our Grimace. Lamine Yamal. Ayan siya. And lastly, we have David Beckham. Ayan. Hello, my amigos. In today's video, we're going to unbox a product from McDonald's. No further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay guys, we have a new item to unbox, which is cups. This is my first McDonald's cups. No. This is my third cups na collection. Kasi meron changeable cups, hindi pa ako nagko-collect noon. So this is our third cups na na-collect. So let's get started. Wait lang, adjust natin to. So we have 6 cups. And guys, I am in a good hands for the McDonald's Philippines kasi hindi siya blind box. Good thing. Mabuti. Good decision. Di nyo siya blind box kasi for sure maraming Filipinos were going to have dismaya. Dalawang attempts na kayo nagpalabas ng blind box. So I hope na sunod-sunod na to and hindi na siya babalik. So yes guys, we have 6 cups to be collected. So first we have, so medyo maano to eh. Malaki maano siya ko guys, ito siya. Hindi ko na naano sa inyo guys, yung paano mo siya bibilhin. Bibili ka ng nuggets, either nuggets or cheeseburger. And then, that's worth 249 pesos, I think. And you get a cup. Yun lang. 249 times 6. That's a total of what I spend. So, let's get started. So, ito guys, is si Sun Cup. Si Sun Cup siya. So, this is Sun Cup. Oh, so that's Sun. Diba? Napaka-cutie. Grabe naman. So, ito siya guys. Ayan siya. Ito. Cup lang talaga siya. So, hindi siya yung parang may takip. So, just the cup. And may engraved na M na McDonald's. Ayan. So, here's our first. And then, ito yung ano niya. Sulod lang niya. Hindi siya naka-box. Kasi yung dalawa ko is naka-box. Ito, plastic lang. Yan, nakalagay ng pangalan. Yung iba kasi, random. Sa US, I think random sa US. Dito kasi, mas better na nandito. Good decision. Good decision. Next, we have, it's Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho. So guys. Ayan siya. Next we have Henry. So that's Henry. Ito si Henry guys. Next, it's Grimace. Cute naman ni Grimace. Number 12 pala yung favorite number niya. May 22 ba dito? Hindi nakalagay. Number 10, 7, ito. Next we have, ito siguro yung si Ronaldo. I think. Ay, hindi. Beckham talaga siya. So, number 10 din siya. Ito si Lamine. So guys, Diba? Napakabata naman ito. And lastly, we have Beckham. Ay, iba yung mga ano, hindi pa kasunod. It's Beckham. Number 7 din siya. Ayan. So here's the FIFA World Cup. 8 pala siya total. Eh, dito sa atin is 6 lang. And here's our FIFA World Cup McDonald's cups. And kailangan mong bumili ng worth 249 pesos na meal, which is including their signature nuggets na may kasamang dip. We have the Son Heung-min. Next, we have Ronaldo Gaucho. Next, it's Thierry Henry. Ayan siya. Si Grimes, of course. Our Grimes. Lamine Yamal. Ayan siya. And lastly, we have David Beckham. Ayan siya. So, yun lang guys. That's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next unboxing. And this is Mimigos. Peace out. Bye!